TikTok ads example. Get more views targeted. TikTok ads example. Best TikTok ads examples. TikTok video ads examples. TikTok Spark ads examples. Examples of good TikTok ads. TikTok in-feed ads examples. Setiawan Zeni TV. Welcome back to our channel Setiawan Zeni TV. Today we're gonna talk about TikTok ads example, how to get more views targeted. I'm gonna show you exactly how to run TikTok ads for business in this TikTok advertising tutorial, so that you can increase traffic, sales, and customers. That is true whether you are doing e-commerce or dropshipping, have an online business, a local store, or even if you are a creator looking to expand your influence, or pretty much anything else you can think of. This is because for the time being, TikTok ads are still relatively new and undiscovered, and you can tap into a market. And one of the world's fastest growing social media sites with over 1 billion monthly active users and 8 new users joining TikTok every single second. It doesn't really matter who you serve. You are likely to find a large number of them right on the app. Let us pause for a moment to consider that, because people's main objection to advertising on TikTok is usually their age, and that's fine. After all, TikTok initially appealed to a younger demographic, but that's how every social media platform works and will continue to do so in the future. It begins young and then ages over time. I mean, there was a time when Facebook was only accessible to college students, and the average age of a Facebook user in the United States is now 40.5 years old. So, if your target market is Gen Z, TikTok is an obvious choice for your company. Even though TikTok has surpassed Instagram in terms of popularity among Gen Z users, a recent report by Hootsuite found that a TikTok ad could potentially reach up to 50.3% of adults in the US. More than 130 million people in total. That's a lot of people, and TikTok was the most downloaded app in 2020 and 2021. Yes, the majority of people use TikTok for entertainment, but it's not all fun and games. Topics related to investing, cryptocurrency, and all things finance grew 255% last year, according to TikTok's What's Next report. On the app, there is also an active and rapidly growing personal finance community. And as for whether TikTok ads are worth your time from a business standpoint, consider this. TikTok is now the #1 app for driving consumer spending, surpassing Tinder, and it just keeps growing from there. Consumer spending on TikTok increased by 77% last year, reaching $2.3 billion. The best part about TikTok ads is that you can tap into all of this market without devoting time and effort to a longer-term organic growth strategy. So let's get into the specifics of how to make that happen right now. TikTok ads example. Best TikTok ads examples. TikTok video ads examples. TikTok Spark ads examples. Examples of good TikTok ads. TikTok in-feed ads examples. Setiawan Zeni TV. TikTok ads function similarly to any other type of social media advertisement. So, if you have previously run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads, the entire process will look very familiar. However, there are a few key differences in terms of setup, targeting, and placements, as well as designing your overall ad for maximum effectiveness. The first step is to create a TikTok advertising account, which fortunately is extremely simple. To get started, go to getstarted.tiktok.com. Start now by clicking the button and then entering your name and your email address among other things in order to set up your account. The second step is to create and install your TikTok pixel. Once your ad account is set up, simply navigate to your ads dashboard and click on Assets. Then there are events which lead to creation of pixels. A pixel is useful because it allows you to track conversions and other events on your website. Not to mention the ability to use that data to create custom audiences on TikTok Ads Manager for future retargeting. It also helps to improve the performance of your TikTok ads by optimizing your ads and delivery to only show to those people who are most likely to take action. Once that is completed, you are almost ready to begin creating your first campaign. So click the Create a Campaign button and then select your goal. If you have ever run Facebook or Instagram ads, this will look very familiar. And as with Facebook ads, the goal that you will want to optimize for 90% of the time is probably conversions. Essentially, this is optimizing your ad to entice someone to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, completing an application, or downloading a lead magnet. To keep things simple today, I'll just select video views. Give it the title Setiawan Zeni tutorial. I'll leave the split test feature off for now, but it's something you will definitely want to do when you set up your own campaigns. I'll set a daily budget of $50. In terms of budget, TikTok's minimum daily spend is currently slightly higher than that of other platforms. I also believe that a good starting point for testing different campaigns is between $20 and $50 per day, so feel free to experiment with that range and see what works for you and what yields the best results. TikTok Ads Example. Best TikTok Ads Examples. TikTok Video Ads Examples. TikTok Spark Ads Examples. Examples of good TikTok ads. TikTok in-feed ads examples. Setiawan Zeni TV. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time.